reviewing the Honda Civic, you know what I'm saying? This mug is loud. Hopefully I can hear me over the sound of my fucking fat ass exhaust on my fucking Honda. Right now I'm going to, I almost took a right too. I usually go that way, but right now I'm just cruising in my 6'4".
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping up.
You know what I'm saying? They see me rolling, they hate it. Patrol trying to catch me riding dirty. Oh snap. That. Oh snap. Cops rolling through that mug too. As I can see my steering wheel be shaking though. But basically I'm about to go paint the rims. Let me roll up my windows. But basically I'm about to go paint the rims. I got like paint and I'm going swimming today. I'm finna show y'all the build, you know what I'm saying? I do not like going on this highway right here because 12 just stay creeping through there, bro. Like, just stay creeping. But yeah, this is pretty much what the videos are gonna look like. POV type of, you know, type of deal. Yeah, just that. This pretty much is what's gonna be. Car meets, you know, different type of deals. But yeah, POVs type of deal, roaming through. Just driving through, really. But finally got the prescription, like the prescripted lenses and everything. So they get some gas in this mug. Yeah, basically, we just rolling through, getting these, oh shoot, getting these rims painted. The car does need a rack and pinion. I bought that. I bought coilovers. I need to get fender flares, stuff like that. The wide body Honda Civic is coming together. Coming together. I got the 15x8s on this mug right now. They are like a 25 offset, positive offset or something like that. They are Steelies. They're racing Steelies, but you know how that goes. I gotta get the AC fixed because it does this. It won't allow me to get power, which that's like Honda things. But I mean, I basically just have to probably like get a new AC compressor, which I'm gonna buy that mug brand new. I usually don't like buying junkyard stuff when it comes to electrical, and especially my AC. I'd rather spend $300 getting a new AC compressor than, you know, sitting here with a used one that would probably work for like a month or two. But it is about 90 degrees out here. The air is, you know, pushing through. It's cold, but it could be colder if I probably got a new AC compressor, because of the fact that it clicks on, clicks off, clicks on, clicks off, because it's about to go bad. But I'm hoping it lasts me at least through the winter time, so that way, I mean, it can last, you know, for right now until, you know, I get a new one. The shop, bro, you know what I'm saying? Pulling up in the shop. Ooh, that's what I'm saying. If my car ever gets lowered, I'm never going in this way, this inclined hill. I'm gonna keep it like right here. But I'm finna, I don't know where I want to paint these rims at. I don't think Uncle cares if I do it right here. I don't think he cares. But yeah, I'll probably do it back here, over to the side, so that way he don't, if there is overspray, he won't see it on the ground and be like, Josh, what the hell? What the heliante? See, he does this shit, it'll start to stutter. So probably about right here is what's best. That way my uncle don't like start at me or something. But yeah. So right now, bro, I got these playing cards. Trying to get them open. I sprayed it a little bit. Now I got chrome nuts, which don't matter to me. So what you want to do is pretty much do it like this. And just go through. That way it doesn't get on the rim itself. And then when you do all that, you can just literally
I think you did a good job, bro. That shit looks cool.
Oh nah, the mugs look a whole lot different. A whole lot more. But I sprayed over a little bit of dirt, and that dirt came up.